Alright, hello everyone, I'm here again for another Android tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to migrate your existing project to Androidx, and it will only work for Android Studio 3.2 higher and higher. And as you can see, I am using the support library and we will migrate it to Androidx. So let's get started. Here in the refactor tab, choose migrate to Androidx, and says, do you want to proceed with the migration? Yes, migrate. And if you want to back up your project, you can click OK. So but in this video I will not back up it, so cancel. Let's wait for the Gradle. Okay, do refactor. So it's now migrating. So as you can see, the support library turns into Androidx, and that's it. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and like this video. Have a productive day.